Hello everyone, we are from Group E, from Class 2 Industrial Engineering, Batch 2023, and now we're going to present about the statistic assignment for 1 and 2 sample hypothesis test. So here are our group member, myself Ardenan Pratama, Cilia Anggraina, Dimas Mahendra, Rifka, and the last one is Manuel Favio. So here our agenda to present today. Before we discuss, we have four main points that we will discuss further. We have the problem background, methodology, data analysis, and conclusion.
The first, background. Understanding physical characteristics like height and weight is important for application in health, education, and policy making. National data show the average height of Indonesian adult woman is 154 centimeter. A study was conducted. The first height hypothesis testing was used to compare the average height of female students to the national average. And the second weight to sample hypothesis testing was asked to examine weight difference between male and female students. The analysis applies inferential statistic, formulating null and alternative hypothesis, analyzing variance, and the last constructing confidence intervals.
So this is what are we going to solve. First one is to see if the average height of female students is different from the national average, which is 154 centimeters. So the second one is to see if there is a difference in body weight between male and female students. Number three, to use statistical methods like hypothesis testing and confidence interval. And last one, to give useful information to help the university in student health and support programs.
And then for the phase one, based data on from BPS, the average height of adult Indonesian woman is 195 centimeter. We took a random sample of 30 adult women at the President University and record their height as follow this data. Conduct a hypothesis test to determine whether there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the average height of Indonesian woman is greater than 154 centimeter is the significant level of alpha 0.05 and explain the result of the test. For the first step, we set up the hypothesis is null mu equal 155 and it's one mu not equal 155. And then we calculate the average of height and we get 158.7. And then we calculate the standard deviation sample and we get 4.68. And then we calculate the t-test statistic and we get 5.5. And the last step, we determine the critical value and we get the t critical value plus minus 2.0452. For the conclusion, the statistic bigger than t critical, so we reject the S null. Therefore, we can conclude that there is sufficient evidence that the average height of women at President University is different from the national average. Software yang gitu. Langsung aja lanjut. Lucian. And for the software calculation, we get some result like manual calculation.
Okay, we continue to the case two. So actually, in the case two, in this study, we conduct a survey among students at Presiden University to collect data on their body weight. So we randomly selected 30 male students and 30 female students to participate in the survey, asking each them to report their current body weight in kilograms. And by analyzing the two independent samples, we aim to perform a two samples hypothesis test to determine if the difference in mean weight between male and female students statistically significant. So for the setup hypothesis, for the S0, me1 equal to me2, which is S0 is there is no difference in average body weight between men and women. And for H1 is me1 not equal to me2, which is H1 is there is the difference in average body weight between men and women. So at the first step, we calculate the mean for male and female that we get for male is 55.07 and for female is 54.13. And after that, we calculate the variance. For the variance, we get the 122.27 and for the female, we got 25.98. And after that, we calculate the bullet variance as the formula below. We calculated and we got the 74.13. And for the last step, we calculating for the t-test statistic for the formula below. We determine critical values 2, that is t minus 2, 58. And for that, we can conclude that this state, which is 4.92, is greater than P critical, which is 2. So it rejects H0. Therefore, we can conclude that there is a significant difference between the average body weight of male and female at the 50% level of significance.
So, in conclusion, based on the hypothesis test we conducted, we found that the average age of female students at Presiden University is significantly higher than the national average of Indonesian adult women. And we discovered a significant difference in average body weight between male and female students, where male students generally have a higher average weight. Through this study, we successfully applied inferential statistical methods such as hypothesis testing, variance analysis, and confidence interval estimation. And these findings can provide valuable insight to support health initiative, academic planning, and student welfare programs within the university. Next slide, please. Okay, that's all from our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.